This gorgeously restored craftsman-style home has all of the old-world charm you have been dreaming of. With original hardwoods and espresso-stained moldings, this home is warm and inviting. Along with the newly painted walls, you will enjoy the smooth ceilings throughout. This functional kitchen even has a two-person bar area that is great for early morning breakfasts. Cool evenings can be spent swinging on the front porch. Also, kids can walk to any of the New Hope schools, and you will find all of the conveniences of the Hampton Cove area nearby. Steal this away at $139,900. Call Jerry today for your showing.